Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fallout New Vegas game. Not launching, not opening, won't start error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run dxvk file. So this will resolve the corrupted files and help you to play the game. So I have already given this link in the description. You just have to open it and you have to download the file. So go through the link. After opening it, here you can see the file is available. Simply click on it and it will download. After that, here you have to go to the download folder. Here is the downloaded file. You have to simply open with Windows Explorer, and after that here you have to select it. Just open this and you have to copy all these, and after that go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you have to copy all those files that you can see in that particular file. So what you have to do is simply copy those files, or what you have to do is simply you have to select them, and after that bring here and paste it in the folder of the game. So it has been pasted over here. After that, try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you have to wait for some time. After the game files is verified, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game. Here is the game application. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, again come back, type -windowed and then check if the game is opening now. But if the issue still continues, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on get icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab. Here switch off enable in game overlay option and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, right click on it and click on enter task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, and this will help you to fix the issue. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution and anti-aliasing etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. You are suggested to disable VSync, suggested to set this, and after that check if the game is launching or not. You are suggested to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to disable all mods. So remove all kind of mods, as they can be the reason for crashing problem or other issues while playing the game. So if there is any mods enabled, you have to disable it, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. But if you still face the issue, then NVIDIA users, you are suggested to roll back the drivers if the issue continues. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it. Now wait for some time. After that, click on close this and now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game once again and then check if it's working now. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable Antivirus program as well as Firewall. So if you are having an Antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. What you need to do is just go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Virus and Threat Protection, go below, click on Manage Settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. Once you have done this, go to the Windows search again. Now search for Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check, but later on again come back and make sure to select Turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and then check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Fallout New Vegas game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Fallout New Vegas game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.